Remember, look into the camera, avoid your bad angles, and I did everything I could, but this lighting is not your friend.
Mark, I'm really nervous.
Hey, you have nothing to be nervous about. Except for your voice, you're a great singer. Ready? Hello, Beer Hole! Are you ready to rock and or roll?
Okay, go. This one goes out to you, Daddy.
It's Mandy, bitch.
Late one night back in 81 at Studio 54, Gene Simmons and his Tweety Bird tattoo was out looking good.
Excuse me, ma'am, you're in my way.
Do you mind? She's singing about me.
No, she's singing about Gene Simmons.
Breathing fire, spitting blood, making sweet love to my mom's face cover. Breathing fire, spitting blood, making sweet love to my mom's face cover. That's why Gene Simmons is my daddy. Gene Simmons is my daddy. And David David is my name because he got to my mama Jean. That's why Gene Simmons is my daddy.
Daddy?
Daughter?
Amanda,
Amanda.
I can't believe you came. How did you know we were doing this?
Oh, I Google myself every morning.
Me too.
You know, the detail of that song was spot on. I can't forget a night like that. Or a woman like Faye. Man, Cher was so pissed off.
So it's true. You're my father. Oh my God, I found you.
I'll tell you what. Let's get out of here. Maybe we'll catch up. I know we both have some questions. Come on.
Okay.
Where is Amanda going with Gene Simmons? Who's gonna sing?